In this tutorial, you'll learn how to change your country on Instagram, allowing you to update your location settings to reflect your current country. Please note that Instagram uses the country information for various purposes, including content recommendations and localized features. Let's go through the steps. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram profile. On your profile page, tap on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the side menu. In the side menu, scroll down and tap on Contact options. After that, click on Business Address. Here you can set your location. Click on City/Town. Then search your location and set it. Then click Save. That's it. You successfully changed your country on Instagram. Your profile will now reflect the updated country information, which Instagram may use for various purposes. If you have any questions about this process or encounter any difficulties, feel free to ask for assistance. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.